Hi, everyone. It's Becky Livingston from Pen Heel Marketing. And today I want to talk to you about a text overlay. It's a really fun feature. It allows you to do a lot of stuff with your imagery and your text just to make things stand out a little bit more. And it's really easy to do. It's kind of crazy. So let's get started. I'm going to do a social media post. I'm going to do a LinkedIn post. And I'm going to start with a texture or a gradient that I like. So I'm going to go to Elements and search for my alphabet first. I want to find some words. So I'm going to come over here to my Elements. I'm going to look down here for my frames. I think that's where the letters are. There we go. We got some letters. I'm going to look at all my letters and I want to think of a great, let's do team. Let's do team. So we've got T and I want my letters to be the same size. So I've got T, E, I get those all organized, A, and I can also use my alignment stuff to make this work a little bit better. Let me get that up there. Let me make sure it fits. Okay, team fits in here nicely, so I'm going to center this a little bit. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to search for an overlay image. In this case, I'm going to come back over here to Elements, and I want to put in, I'm going to search for metal because that's what I did in the graphic. So I'm going to look for a metal overlay. Let's see. No, I don't want frames. I want graphics. Sorry, let me come back here to go to Elements, and I want to look for metal. If I could spell, and I want to look for well, I'm going to start with, let's see. Oh, these are pretty nice. Oh, here's one with dots on it. Here's the diamond pattern. There's cogs in a wheel. I definitely don't want that for a team. This blue one is pretty. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to drag this into each letter. And that's all you have to do. I could also put in a different design depending on what I'm looking for. Let's say I want to do flowers, because it is springtime after all. And I could put in different flowers for my background. Let's see, I got daisies over here. I got daffodils there. Let me throw in something else here. I'll put that in the M's. Now, you're saying it might be a little hard to read that. So what can I do to make it stand out a little bit more? You can take this whole thing. I am going to duplicate it. I've highlighted everything. I'm going to duplicate it. Now, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to take out, and I'm going to do my edit. And I'm going to take out my picture. So all I'm doing is clicking on it now, and I've grabbed my picture and just clicked delete. I can fill this with a color. Let's say I want it to be black, just so I can get this outline done. And I can drop this just behind here, a little bit to the left, and I can position it to the back. So now my letter has a little bit of dimension. I can move that around. Same thing with team. I drop it just a little bit to the back. I go back to my positions. I can go to my layers, and I drop that behind the E. I take my A, I drop it behind my A, and there's my M, and I drop it behind the M. Totally up to you on how you want to do this, but there's lots of ways that you can make your text stand out. So that is the text overlay. It's very easy to do. It's fun, and it really can make your imagery stand out. I'm going to create a whole bunch more videos about text and skewing and all kinds of things that you can do, but this is the text overlay. If you like this video, definitely click the button below, subscribe to the channel, because I'll have a whole bunch of hacks going on with Canva, and hope to see you soon. Have a great day.